Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down or saving the state of every VM. Do not leave guests running. Once done, open Oracle VM Virtualbox Manager as an administrator, because some changes require elevated rights. Make sure you know whether you mean a VM's network adapter or the host-only interface. This difference matters. You'll act now on the host, so confirm there are no active services depending on the Virtualbox network to avoid disruption. You'll now disable the interface. For a single VM, open that VM's settings, go to Network, and uncheck the adapter or the cable-connected box. This stops the VM from using Virtualbox networking. For the host-only adapter, go to File, Host Network Manager, select the host-only interface and click Remove or Disable. If you prefer commands, run vbox manage hostenlief, remove name, or modifivif to set DHCP off. This is faster for scripting and exact when multiple adapters exist. Finish by restarting the host networking stack or rebooting the machine to ensure changes take effect. Some OSes need a full reboot to unload drivers. Verify success with ipconfig or ifconfig, and vbox manage list hostenliefs to confirm the adapter is gone or disabled. If the interface persists or you see driver conflicts, reinstall or repair Virtualbox network drivers from the installer. That usually clears lingering entries. If still stuck, temporarily disable VPNs and security software. Those can lock virtual interfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.